Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your shorts or reels looks better. So first of all, let's open InShot here and you can see I'm already working on a short. So what you can see here, like here you can see the video is fully fit to the screen. Like it is not like this type of, you can see the video is completely fit to the screen. So when you try to edit shorts or reels, make sure that your video is completely fit to the screen, as it looks good, and making it like this does not look cool, right? So the next tip is, whatever song you are choosing, suppose you are making an reel video about traveling log, and you are just added a music here, it is not a speaking type of log. So in that video, what you have to do, make sure that you are keeping beats to the video clips, right? Suppose, let me show you here, as you can see, clips are completely matching to my music that I have added. And the next thing that you can improve here is, most people use transitions in the video, that's absolutely fine, but whenever you try to edit video or try to edit video with music beats, then make sure that you are supposed to use only clips and not using any transitions in the beats. It does not look good. Then the next thing that you should think about while editing a short video is that make sure you are adding effects. Suppose you have added only image here, it is not video and it is just image and it is not moving. So what you have to do is, you can simply add this effect like slow zoom. Video is slow zooming, but this is telling for an image if you are added in your short video. You can also add other effects as well, but it is not looking cool, that's why I'm not suggesting you. But then when you are adding overlay here, as you can see, suppose you are adding this overlay, let me add one image, suppose this is the overlay of this video, right? What you have to do is, always keep overlay in the middle of the short video. If your video is vertical and you are going to upload it in the 9:16, not 9:16, let me check. If you are going to upload 9:16, then always keep that in the middle, and you can also use outline to this like this, as you can see, so it looks cool, right? I think it is looking better now, and you can add any text around it. Then the next thing I would definitely like to tell you that whatever text you are adding, always keep this like suppose I'm writing here, enjoying with family, suppose I'm adding this, right? So always keep this font size short, right? It should be like this, it should not that large size. It looks good. You can, some people keep this like this and add this at the top, and whenever you try to play it in the shot, this goes to the upside, and in the reels it does not appear instantly. And most of the time people don't even look at this because they are focusing in the middle. Why they will focus at the top, right? So that's why keep it in the middle. Then other thing what should I tell you is, for animations, here is already lots of animations. Yes, you can use animations as well to look your shot good. Wherever in the beats you can add this animations as well. As you can see, I have added animation here. Yeah, this is how you can actually start editing video for your reels and shorts, and keep these things in mind while editing. So yeah, this was the video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.